Alam mo yung minsan, kahit na ayaw mo namang makinig sa usapan ng ibang tao, pero yung tenga mo may sariling buhay. Ganun. So kanina, nandun kami sa kabilang restaurant, nag-aabang ako ng order namin. So yung dalawang babae sa likod namin, sabi niya, dun sa friend niya, hindi ko alam kung friend niya, sabi niya, "Girl, di mo naman kailangan ng maraming pera. Money can't buy you happiness." Yun ang sabi niya. So napaisip ako, sige nga, pag-usapan nga natin yung very controversial line na yan na money can't buy you happiness. In all honesty, I agree. Kasi imagine, kung marami kang pera pero wasak naman yung pamilya mo, yung relationships mo, ayaw sa'yo ng mga anak mo, ayaw kang kausap ng mga anak mo, hindi mo mapagkatiwalaan yung mga tao sa paligid mo, di ba? Or let's say gabi-gabi hindi ka makatulog kasi wala ka naman talagang peace of mind. Then, yes, money can't buy you happiness. Money cannot buy you genuine love. It can't buy purpose, no? Yung a good legacy, hindi yan kayang bili ng pera. Money can't buy you peace. Money can't buy you a good life. Gets? At sa tingin ko, maraming mapeperang tao yung sasang-ayon sa akin dyan. Kaya kung mapera ka, comment mo naman sa comment section. Hindi, joke lang. Anyway, going back. Feeling ko, kulang yung statement eh. Kapag hanggang dun lang. Because while money can't buy you happiness, it definitely buys you options. It buys you comfort. It buys you flexibility. It buys you freedom to choose. Kapag nagkasakit yung pamilya mo, money gives you options. Look at Kay Abad. Nagkaroon ng cancer. Kung saan mo gustong magpagamot, Singapore, Mount Elizabeth, you have that option. Kapag gusto mong bigyan ng magandang education yung anak mo, money gives you options. Kapag gusto mong alagaan yung aging parents mo, habang tumatanda sila, ipatherapy sila, ipagamot sila, then you have options. Kapag may emergency, money gives you options. Minsan kasi, ang akala ng mga tao, happiness yun eh. But it's not. Ang tawag doon, relief. Yung hindi ka kinakabahan kung saan ka kukuha ng pangbayad, hindi ka puyat-puyat kung saan ka kukuha ng pang-bills mo, yung hindi ka takot sa bawat emergency na darating. So yes, I agree, money can't buy you happiness, but let's not demonize money. Because money in itself is neither good nor bad. Money is simply a tool. And I believe it's one of the many resources that God entrusts us while we're here on earth. Hindi naman kasi pera yung goal eh. Hindi rin pera ang sukatan ng worth ng isang tao. Pero kung ipinagkatiwala sa atin ng Diyos ang isang bagay, meron tayong responsibilidad na gamitin to ng maayos, to provide, to protect, to bless our families, to bless your ministry, to help others, to create opportunities that weren't available before. You see, money is not the destination. It's not even the source of happiness or source of joy. Pero it can be a useful servant when placed in the right hands and kept in the right place. Because true happiness still comes from the Lord. From the purpose, from the relationships that you have, from a life lived with meaning. But having financial wisdom gives us the capacity to care for the people that we love or the people around us without carrying unnecessary burdens. So yes, money can't buy happiness, but having good options when life gets hard, I think that's still something worth building for. Ikaw, what's your take dun sa kasabihan na money can't buy you happiness? Comment mo naman sa comment section.